In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use count in AutoCAD. To count is a quick and reliable way to number multiple text objects automatically. It can replace existing text with numbers, or add numbers as a prefix or suffix, and it works great for things like labeling rooms, notes, or parts in a drawing. Before we start, make sure you have your text ready on screen. These can be text or multi-line text objects you intend to number. If you plan to use the Find and Replace option later, it helps to include a simple placeholder, like a symbol, in each piece of text, but that's optional. When you're ready, type count in the command line and press space. You'll be prompted to select the text. Click to select each text object you want to number, or use a window selection if that's faster. When you've got everything, press space again to confirm your selection. Next, you'll choose how to sort them. You can sort by X, by Y, or by the order you selected them. Sorting by X numbers left to right across the drawing, which is perfect for rows. Sorting by Y numbers bottom to top, which is great for columns. Select order follows the exact sequence in which you click the text. Pick the one that matches the way you want the numbers to flow visually. Now enter the start number, then a comma, then the increment, and press space. For example, typing 1/1 starts at 1 and counts up by 1. Typing 100,010 starts at 100 and goes up by tens. Be sure to include the comma with no spaces. Next, choose how the numbers are placed. Overwrite replaces the entire text with the running number, ideal if the existing text is just a placeholder. Prefix adds the number in front of the existing text, so you might get something like 1. Note. Suffix adds it after the text, like note /bones TCOUNT 1. Find and replace looks for a specific string inside each text and swaps only that part with the number, which is handy if you inserted a placeholder earlier. Pick the option that best matches your goal and confirm when prompted. After you choose, AutoCAD applies the numbering instantly. If something doesn't look right, use face undo and run TCOUNT again with different settings. A quick tip: zoom out slightly before selecting so you can see the overall order, and double check that your sort direction matches the layout you expect. And that's it. With TCOUNT, you can number text consistently in seconds, keeping your drawings clear and professional without manual editing.